It's always a nice surprise when you see a connector like this from a cheap item. And you get to pop it open and it shows all this nice copper. Sweet. So in a few moments I'll be adding up how much everything weighs, but here we have the final parts of the circuit boards. Steel, some aluminium, this is scrap. We have brass parts, silver dots on brass. Of course we have our famous M&Ms with the silver paste in them. Copper wire. Some bonus parts are these reusable lights. Of course I can take off these brass parts, but I think I'll sell them or reuse them for some kind of project. And some reusable components here as well. Crystal oscillator, a fuse, and of course a nice LED. I took apart every tiny motor that was in it. I even took apart these guys to show you all the copper that's in it. This was the center part of a really tiny fan that was inside the rear. You can see here, that was the housing of it. And all the scrap that's in it, or well, trash actually. This is all hard plastics. And this is the rest of the trash, but everything else is reusable. I hope someday. And the final score is, of course, including the nice little mirror over there. One more thing that I could have done was strip all these wires. Then of course the copper would add up a little more. However, still very pleased with the results. Of course, this isn't by any means a good way to to earn some cash, because it will take way too long for a device like this. However, it's extremely fun to do.